is productive. You can speak your mind a lot in most classes, and everybody here is like super welcoming, and they fun to be around.
I like it because it's small and everyone knows each other very well. So
yeah, it's more hands-on, which is not very typical for most schools.
They teach stuff about you, like teach you stuff about how you are and your like learning style. Like if you like learn through seeing things or hearing things or like making things.
This place would fit my ADHD, dyslexia, and dyscalculia.
They like have 4 cores because it makes it so much easier.
It's really easy to stay with one group instead of having to go with like different groups of people for every period.
Multi-age classrooms, it works really well, to be honest, because like it gives you a chance to teach like all the 6th or 7th graders how Badger Rock works.
Project time is basically homeroom at the end of the day,
where you do like your specials like PE, art, music, library, but also we have a specific day for fun.
You get to work on, choose a project that you're interested in, like let's say dinosaurs. You could study dinosaurs and then make a big arts and craft about dinosaurs.
My favorite thing about project time is probably when we go to garden class. I like eating and we make food.
Every week you cook a different type of food from a different culture or area. You get to do so many things and you have so many different opportunities. Like last year we got to go collect bee honey from like beehives, and I thought that was really cool.
Chickens. Everyone loves the chickens. You would be surprised on the amount of people that would find a worm and just run over to the chicken coop to feed the chickens.
Right now we're doing quilting, and I was told that we're going to be actually doing sewing, which sounds really fun to learn and do.
We play a lot of games like Sharks and Minnows, Rainbow Tag, in the like sport field, or sometimes we'll set up volleyball or just, hang out on the playground really.
My favorite class is science because during science we do biking sometimes.
In science, when we get hot cocoa and tea, when we're going outside for Phenology Friday. Phenology Friday is when we go outside and we sit in the same spot every time and we look around and see what's happening.
My favorite subject is math because we get to do like a lot of projects in there. Like we're doing now, we're making models of stuff.
I'm working on a boat and I'm actually going to try to make it float and be able to move.
We're working on a math song, me and some friends in project time. We're basing the song off the song Popsicle, and it's going to go ratio, and it's about ratios because we're working on ratios in math.
My favorite class would probably be ELA just because I like the activities and the nice and quiet, like peaceful area in it.
The teachers here are great.
They like want to get to know you and stuff and want to see how you're doing every day. Like they check up on you.
The thing about the teachers here is they're so amazing. I was always scared of talking to teachers, but since I came to this school, I have been able to speak so much more in class and to teachers.
On my first day, I was really nervous, but this really nice girl, she said hi, and that just made me feel way more welcome, and it was just a really fun day.
I know it's very scary to come to a new school and a middle school, especially if it's a middle school where there are not a lot of your friends are going, but there's also a good aspect of you can learn so much more by making new friends and meeting new people, and you can just learn so much by going here, and I just think I'm very thankful for that opportunity, and I would really love for some other people to have that opportunity as well.
You definitely should. All the teachers here are like really nice.
It's a real positive environment.
I really have liked my time here.
I'm excited. I think that a lot of the stuff that I learned from here, I can take it and carry it with me to high school and farther on.
So unique, fun,
Different.
But a good different.
Accepting. Because there's like a lot of trans rights and Black Lives Matters. It's everywhere.
Spontaneous, fun, unique.
Fun, different, because not like other schools, it's pretty small, and it's definitely an experience.
Fun,
Time.
caring,
Loving. Roller coaster. Creative.
It's respectful to everyone.
Cool, weird, and outrageous.